So before starting the session, so let it be. Fix our agenda, guys, please. Let us fix our agenda. Let us fix our agenda. So today we are going to be discussing about what is AWS. We are going to be understand for today. What is AWS? We are going to be understand for today. So thanks for waiting, all of you. Thanks for waiting, all of you, please. Yeah, please. Yeah. So what is an exactly agenda, guys, please, for today? So what is in AWS? We are going to be understand for today. So that is in exactly our today our agenda, please. So before starting, so let us introduce our course for you. So what exactly this course, what we are going to be covering. So let us understand first. So this course is designed with what? Complete AWS, Linux basics and shell script. The total duration of this course is 2.5 months. 2.5 months. So I'm going to be covering Linux basics, which is required for learning AWS. Shell script basics. No programming like Java, .NET, Python not required. So for practice daily, you require a laptop with Windows 10, 4 GB of RAM and i3 minimum. If it is more than this, it's well and good, fine. And who can join in this course? Yes, freshers can join in this course. And experienced students also can join in this course. And as well as any graduate, BSc Computers, MTech, BTech, degree, MBA, any graduate can join in this course. So if you join in this course, which are all the benefits? Daily class recordings, daily class recordings. So you are going to be receiving after the payment via Google Drive. So up to 11 months access. The recording will be, you can able to access up to 11 months. So resume preparation, interview question and answers, 80% of software materials I will be providing with you. I will be providing with you. So our classes, so basic level to advanced level, basic level to advanced level, and each and every class is a practical oriented session. I will show you in front of you that the same thing you are going to be implementing in your laptop also. So the class is every day 1 hour. The class is 1 hour. The classes are Monday to Saturday. The classes are Monday to Saturday. You are going to be paying 5,000 rupees for full AWS for daily recordings. If you want to talk to admin, please call this number 9297929777. You can WhatsApp or else you can call. If it is number is busy, then call this number. And it is a course content link. If it is copy paste in a browser, you can access over internet my course content. What I'm going to be covering, this is a course view, this is AWS content. Please look at once. Yeah. So before starting the session, so let me introduce myself. My name is Maha. I have totally 15 years IT experience. My career starts as Java developer. Then I turn as a DevOps engineer. From last 5 years onwards, I'm working as a senior DevOps engineer as well as cloud engineer, like Azure with AWS also both. This isn't exactly my profile. So before starting the session, so I have one question I want to clarify with you. Please. So first question, I'm going to be ask you, what is an application? Please tell me. Application is nothing but what? Website. Application is nothing but what? The website, like a Flipkart, Amazon, Book My Show. These are all we're calling as what? Application. So what is an exactly application? What is an exactly application? The working software. The working software which is written any programming like Java, .NET, Python. We are calling as what? Application. So this application, if you are placing on server side, then we are going to be accessing our internet as what? Website. As a website. I'll repeat one more time, please listen very carefully. What is an application? The working software which is written any programming, we call as what? Application. That application we are going to be placing on server side. Then there itself we are going to be accessing our internet as what? Website. Okay. So for maintaining this application, we require a infrastructure. Sir, what is infrastructure, please? So what is infrastructure? Infrastructure is nothing but what? Infrastructure is nothing but what? So for example, to conduct this session, this classroom session or online session, what kind of infrastructure is required? TV, laptop, tables, chairs, fans, lights, internet connectivity, my water bottle. So this raw infrastructure is required or not? Then only we can able to conduct this session, or else we can't. Same way, my question is, so for maintaining our websites, for deploying our applications, what kind of infrastructure is required? to deploy our websites. What kind of infrastructure? Majorly, we have a required servers. Majorly, we have required a network, servers, network, databases, and storages. And storages, guys, please. And storages. So these are all major infrastructure is required to maintain our applications, to deploy our application, means websites. But how many ways we can able to get this infrastructure, please? How many ways to get? How many ways to get infra, please? We can able to get it. We can able to get it either by using physical environment like your laptop, or from virtual environment, or from cloud. Either physical environment or virtual environment or cloud environment. Cloud environment. So for maintaining our applications, we require a infrastructure. That infrastructure either we can able to get a physical environment or virtual environment or cloud environment. We understood very clearly. But what is a cloud? What is a cloud? What is a cloud computing? What is a cloud computing? So compute means what, first of all? So what is an exactly compute? RAM, CPU, motherboard. So these are all we calling as a computing power. That's what we calling as a computer. The computer power has the computer. That's what we calling as what computing power. Means it is the hardware resources which you have in laptop. These are all the components the computer power has my laptop or not? Yes, definitely we have. But if this computing power means RAM, CPU, motherboard, this hardware, if we can able to access or a control over internet, it's nothing but cloud. It's nothing but what? Cloud. What is the cloud computing? Anybody help me? So the remote placed resources, if we can able to if we can able to access or a control over internet from a laptop is nothing but what? Cloud computing. It's nothing but what? Cloud compute. So first let us understand data center. What is a data center? Anybody help me? The data center is like this. So in a big room, if you keeping in a servers or a computing power, in a rack wise we calling as a data center. It is like a building. How exactly our micro building? The same way our data centers also existing physically. So these data centers are located in different geographical locations. Different geographical locations. In somewhere else in different geographical location, like in US, in Singapore, in US, in Mumbai, in India, somewhere else. These data centers are physically exist, like we can touch, we can feel it, we can see with our eyes. It is a tangible things we can touch, like our building, like your house. So from these buildings, from these data centers, if you can able to access a server, a network, a database, a storage, over internet from a laptop is nothing but a cloud computing. So what is the cloud computing? Anybody help me? The remote placed resources, if you can able to access or a control over a internet from your laptop is nothing but what? Cloud computing. Cloud computing. But any cloud is a rental based infrastructure. So what we are accessing, either servers or remote resources which I have discussed. So we are going to be accessing as a rental based, rental based, as a rental based, is nothing but what? Cloud computing. Cloud computing. So first of all, let us understand. So in the screen, we have two options here. Build the news and select the news. Build the news and select the news. Which is better for you? Select the news always. Select then use. So ready-made things. Select then use nothing but what? Ready-made. So instead of buying servers, we're going to be getting a rental service. Instead of buying infrastructure, we're going to be getting a rental infrastructure. To understand this, I will give one good example. I want to go to railway station by car. I want to go to railway station by car. So here I want to get a car. How many ways we can able to get a car? And two ways. One is buying car, another is rental car. Which is easy for you? Buying car easy or rental car easy? Just for reaching railway station, are you really buying a car? Just for reaching railway station, are you spending 10 lakhs rupees? No. Answer is no. So instead of buying a server, we are going to be booking a rental car like Ola, Uber, or whatever. Within 10 minutes, the car is available at your doorstep. We can reach your railway station. What is the tariff? 500 rupees you can pay. Then no need to maintain your car. Not required. Car is not required after the purpose. Your purpose is resolved, or you are not maintaining car, and cost is very less. The same way servers also. Just for deploying a Flipkart kind of applications, we required a service. Just for deploying applications, just for maintaining our applications, we required a server. How many ways we can able to get a server? Two ways. One is physical servers or cloud servers. Which is easy for you? Rental servers. So either buy servers or rental servers. Buying servers or rental servers. If you want to buy a server, where you need to keep? You need to keep in a big room like this. We need to pay rent every month. We need to pay current bill, AC bill, maintaining your infrastructure. And who will pay the employee salaries for every month? It is very difficult to maintain. It is very difficult to maintain our own physical service. It is not easy. Instead of this, so we are moving into the cloud. In cloud, we can able to get a rental based infrastructure. Based on usage, we are going to pay rent, maybe monthly once. Based on usage, we are going to be paying rent. Guys, please. We're going to be paying rent. So our purpose is resolved or not? At the same time, very less cost. There is no headache to maintain servers also. That's what. Any cloud is a rental based infrastructure. Any cloud is a rental based. By using cloud, what we can able to get? A rental based infrastructure to easy to maintaining our application, means websites. This is the whole story of cloud. Right. But so any cloud is a rental based infrastructure, either Azure or Google or AWS. These are all cloud providers only. Cloud providers only. In cloud providers, AWS is a leading cloud provider. AWS is a leading cloud provider. AWS is nothing but what? Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Services means by using AWS cloud, AWS cloud, we can able to get a rental infrastructure, and easily we can able to maintaining our applications. Very easily maintaining our websites is nothing but what? AWS. In AWS, so we are going to be discussing totally 4 modules: VPC, EC2, RDS, and S3. Totally, how many modules we are going to be, guys? Please, 3. VPC module, EC2 module, RDS module, and S3 module. VPC is nothing but what? Network. EC2 is nothing but what? Servers. RDS is nothing but what? Databases. S3 is nothing but what? Storage. Means, so servers is nothing but what? EC2. Network is nothing but what? VPC. Database is nothing but what? RDS. S3 is nothing but what? Storage. By helping of this raw infrastructure, we can able to deploy our applications very easily. I'll repeat. So VPC is nothing but what? Network. So by helping of VPC, we can able to establish network. On top of it, we are going to be creating a server for placing our applications for websites. Our customer information databases, we are maintaining like MySQL, Oracle databases, we can able to get it by RDS. RDS. An external storage like videos or other files we can able to maintain in storage S3 bucket. Let us understand with an example. First, let us understand the component called VPC. What is a VPC? Anybody help me? VPC is nothing but what? A network. VPC is nothing but what? A network. So I think you have seen in your office. So the systems are connecting with internet cables, physical internet cables in your office or else in your home also. We have a broadband connection. The laptop is connecting with the internet cable to your laptop or no? That is nothing but a physical network. A private network. A private network. So I'll repeat. So how you are having your home network means a physical network. The same kind of private network. The same kind of private network. An isolated, a private network. If you can able to access our internet in a virtual form, is nothing but what? VPC. It's nothing but what? VPC. Virtual Private Cloud. VPC. By using VPC, we can able to create a different kinds of network. In AWS, anybody can able to get in. Anybody can access. You and me, throughout the globe, anyone can getting into the AWS. Anyone. You can able to getting into AWS. Myself also can able to getting into the AWS. But very important. So this is your private section. This private section belongs to you. No one can enter here. This is dedicated for your purpose. You can only use, no one can enter into this. Same way, this is my private section. This is my friend's private section. No one can use. So in the globe, each and every company using AWS. That's what we're learning. Understood? Anybody, any company, TCS, HCL, any company can get into the AWS. But after getting, what is the security? Means for TCS, so they can able to create their own network here. They can able to use their own resources like servers and databases. No one can access this, only TCS people. The same way HCL also. Same way other companies. So each and every one getting into the AWS, they can able to create their own network, their own private network, which can't be accessed anybody. And in this network, we are going to be creating a server. Server, how exactly we are going to be creating? EC2 means server, elastic cloud compute. So computing power means RAM, CPU, motherboard. We have the computing power. That computing power, if you can able to access over internet in elastic form, is nothing but what? EC2. 1E 2 says that's what EC2. That's what EC2. By using EC2, we can able to create a server. So which are all the components available in your laptop? Same component like CPU, operating system, hard disk, RAM, firewall, NIC card. By helping of these are all the resources, we can able to create a server in AWS on top of private network. So I'll repeat one more time. First, we are going to be established network. On top of it, we are going to be creating a server. On top of, we're going to be deploying or hosting our applications. Example, if you want to deploy a hardware kind of application, first what we will do, please? We are going to be creating a network. Then create a server. Once if it is create a server, on top of, we are going to be deploying our hardware applications. We are going to be deploying our hardware application. So once if it is deployed our hardware applications, we can able to access our application over internet like this. Once if you are accessing, so where we can able to keep our customer information, login information. Application we are deploying server, okay, but the customer information where? In databases by using RDS. By using RDS. By using what? RDS. RDS. Okay. So VPC nothing but what? Network. EC2 is nothing but what? Server. RDS is nothing but what? Database. But what about these movies? This Blu-ray printed movies, it is more than 3 GB. Can able to insert it into the database? No. But where we can able to keep? S3, simple storage service. It is an external storage. It is not depending on any operating system. It is not depending on any other server. It's just like your pen drive. It is just like your Google Drive. How we are using Google Drive? Same way, we are going to be using S3 bucket. So over internet, by using any device like your mobile, like your laptop or a desktop, by using any device, we can upload or download any kind of file, either PDF, image, video, audio, anything, just like Google Drive. So for example, this PPT is presenting from where? Google Drive. Because if I uploaded this PPT in Google Drive, I'm accessing from my device, means my laptop. The same way, my S3 bucket also. It is a simple storage service. It is a simple storage service. Triple S. That's what we're calling as what? S3. By using S3, we can able to create a server. Means by using network VPC, we can able to create a network. By using EC2, we can able to create a service. By RDS, we can able to get a service, database service. By S3, external storage. By helping of this raw infrastructure, easily we can able to maintain or deploy our applications. Easily we can able to maintain and deploy our applications very easily. Very easily. So I hope you people are understands very clearly what is a cloud. What is a cloud? So I think today is more than enough. So before taking questions, so I'll revise one more time. What are the course overview? So this is an exactly total duration 2.5 months. So Linux basic I'm going to be cover shell script, No programming is not required. You have a required laptop, and freshers can join in this course, and experienced students can also join in this course. Daily class recordings, what I'm teaching in regularly, I will be shared with Google Drive. You can able to access, you can able to practice by helping of these videos. Resume preparation, interview question and answers, I'm trying to helping you. So 80% of software is yes. So our course starts with the basic level to advanced level, and each and every session is a practical oriented session. A daily 1 hour session. The classes are Monday to Saturday. You're going to be paying 5,000 rupees for full AWS and daily recordings. If you want to talk to Redmond, so call to 9297 77. Got it. So this is my course content. If you copy paste this in the browser, you can able to access my content. So please take this photo, just further reference. Online students, please be take it photo. For online students, I'm going to be share one once. So any questions, please, for today? Understood? So what is AWS? We understood. Tomorrow a little bit deeper. Tomorrow a little bit is what is a SaaS, what is a PaaS. So what is IAS? So we'll discuss in a little bit deeper about tomorrow. Slowly we're going to be start our regular sessions, and practical sessions will be start day after tomorrow. No, is it purely AWS? No, it is in this session only AWS. DevOps is evening 8 p.m. Both are same, but here we discussing only AWS. But in evening 8 p.m. it will discuss both AWS and extension DevOps both. 7 p.m. Azure, 8 p.m. DevOps with AWS. Today the session is only AWS, purely AWS. So the extension of AWS is DevOps. But in this session we're discussing up to AWS, no DevOps here. Yeah, offline also there. Kumar. Bharani Kumar, yes. Offline, online, both. Parallelly. So any questions, guys, please? I'm waiting for you. Do you have any questions, any doubts for today's session? So tomorrow we'll be continuing. Tomorrow we will be continue. So further, then day after tomorrow onwards, we're going to be start our regular sessions. And so with the practical sessions, so how to create a servers. So what is the server? Slowly we are deep diving into that. So that's it, guys, please. Thanks a lot. So we'll be continue by tomorrow with same link. The link will be same place, same time, same link. In this session, in this class, only AWS, there is no DevOps here. DevOps class is evening 8 p.m. Azure class is evening 7 p.m. And morning also there, but it will be start next week, after the week. Thank you. Thanks, sir.
So you need to bring your laptop?
As you wish. But you have a laptop. You should be have a laptop. But if you have any query, you can bring with the laptop. I'll help you.
Oh.
You can able to practice. You can in your home. That's okay. If it is not fine, please bring laptop. I'll help you.
Okay.
Both.
You need to install anything?
I will show you. I will let you know everything. Empty laptop enough.
Okay.